Was that okay, Capri?
She's all good.
She's so good. She's
All
like,
good.
oh my God, Capri.
That was the finale.
All right. Happy July, 4th of July. I want to be sensitive towards Capri. Let's go this way. Let's go. That is way too loud. That is way too loud, Capri. Yes, it is loud. Let's go. Oh my God. And you want to be walking at this time, Capri? It's late. Well, everyone is out, right? Everyone is out. Come on. Just go and sniff. Forget about the fireworks, right? But you're not scared. You wanted to go out. Oh my gosh, you're such a good puppy. You are such a good puppy. What? See, I don't think we can go for a walk at this time. And it's late and everyone is doing those fireworks. I feel so bad for all the doggies out there. You know. Look at Capri. She's even sitting down. We are out here on the street. Brought Capri to go pee-pee. And she's just sitting. And you can hear the fireworks. Then you can hear all around the neighborhood. They allow fireworks here in the city of Fullerton. And Capri always enjoy the fireworks, just like my first two yellow labs. Right, Capri? Probably were taken to the fireworks since they were puppies by the puppy racers. And Capri has been to all the fireworks every single year. And also to Disney. Listen to that. Oh my gosh, you're not scared. You don't get overwhelmed. She's just facing away. Capri, you are the best retired guide dog ever. Should I remark retire? I don't know if you can see. We're not gonna go to Disney anymore with you. Maybe. Oh my gosh, Capri. She's just looking. She's just looking. She likes to be around people. I don't know if it's my imagination, but Capri's been sad. Oh, Capri, are you okay? Yeah. She's like, you think I'm okay, but maybe I wonder if her ears.
I don't know.
Her.
She's not shaky.
No. I've been taking her to Disney a lot because I have my annual pass.
Yeah, so you guys go.
And
the
she
way you do
even
the
watches the
fireworks.
fireworks at
Okay.
Disney. And for
No,
years.
she doesn't appear stressed.
Hi, Capri. Hi, Capri. She's deeply in love with Sage because she knows you for how many years, Sage? Since you were little, right? You were, I think, 8 or yeah. Oh wow, Capri, see? And now that she's all retired, retired Capri. She's just having, yeah, she's gonna go for a walk, and she's enjoying the fireworks. And oh, I smell it. Are those the ones? Is it okay if I videotape you? This is Eunice, my neighbor, and she's firing. What are these called?
Sparklers.
Sparklers. Are those the one? I think I remember those. Don't they use those for Christmas?
Yes.
During those,
they're
how do
like,
you call those? That celebration they do.
Candles.
They come. How do you call those? Posadas.
Yeah.
Those little. That's good. May I touch? May I see one?
Yeah.
Quote unquote. Quote unquote. See.
Here, I'm gonna put you in your hand, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Yay!
Oh.
Oh, don't put it too close.
Oh my God! I thought it was soft.
I lit it
Oh
for
my.
you.
See,
Can
that's
you
what
feel it now?
I feel it. That's what happened when you're blind.
Well,
She gave me one that was lighted, and I'm trying to touch it with my right hand, which is holding my phone. I go like, oh, I feel the fire. Oh my God, that's a good video right there, right?
pretty. Yeah.
No, good view.
They don't do a lot of color, but it's fun.
What color is it? I forgot.
White.
White. Yeah.
Some of them can be different colors, but these are white.
All right.
Looks like Vietnam.
Oh. Okay, we don't like this. We don't like this one. Oh my God. How's Capri? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's okay.
She's just
My
relaxed.
video, but it's not going.
There you go.
It's time to go night.
She enjoys Sage, not the fireworks.
Oh, another one. Give me another kiss.
She knows the word kiss. Beso. She knows beso.